So I'm getting ready to put new tires on the Jeep here. As you can see, it needs them. Actually, this is a tire that I plugged not too long ago in another video. I put these tires on this Jeep 8/7 of 2010, back when this thing had 75,077 miles on it. The funny thing is now the Jeep has over 171,000 miles on it. So these tires have gone almost 100,000 miles. And yeah, I know they're bald, but they don't really look that terribly bad. Most all of that's highway driving, by the way, just to let you know. But this video really isn't about that. This video is about me wanting to put new tires on this Jeep, and just how hard that's been. So I'm trying to put tires on the Jeep, and I find the tires that I want at, of all places, Walmart. They had a good price on them. They had a really good price on tires that would actually fit this thing. And I was real happy with what I found, and I was super happy about the price. So I took myself to Walmart to try to get my tires. I went back to the tire department, cash in hand, and was ready to purchase the tires that I wanted. And I told the guy what I needed, and he said, "We don't have those tires." And I pulled out my phone and showed him that, but right here on the internet, it shows that you have these tires. He says, "Oh no, you have to order those tires off the internet and have them shipped to the store." And I said, "Cool, that's fantastic, that's great. I got the cash right here in hand. If you can go ahead and order those for me, I'll be happy to wait until they come in." And they were going to take about a week to come in. I said, "I'll be happy to wait a week for them to come in." Oh no, that's not the way this works. I had to order them off the internet. They couldn't be ordered at Walmart from Walmart and shipped to a Walmart store. I had to go home, order them off the internet myself. Why is there an extra step in this process? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Why are my tires that I'm trying to order from Walmart, that are being shipped to Walmart, being installed by Walmart? Why can't Walmart order the tires for me? No, I have to order them off the internet, then have them shipped, wait a week, go back to Walmart, have them installed. I would absolutely love somebody to explain this process to me, and explain to me how this makes any sense whatsoever. I just don't get it. Why couldn't I just order them from the service desk in the tire center, and I wouldn't be driving around on these bald tires right now? I tell you, every day I think, retail is its own worst nightmare. If you enjoyed this video, think about clicking right here to subscribe to my channel. Right about now, a couple other videos might be popping up on the other side that you might be interested in. And until next time, maybe I'll see you on the next video.